Welcome back to the channel. Today, we step inside a complete mango processing journey from start to finish.
Across fertile lands, mangoes begin their journey long before reaching the factory. This is where the process truly starts.
The harvest is both delicate and intensive. Every fruit must be handled with precision.
Once collected, mangoes are quickly prepared for transport. Speed helps preserve their freshness. The journey to the factory is carefully timed. Freshness must be protected during transit.
Bay 3 is open now. Watch the overhead clearance.
Copy that, moving in.
Heavy equipment ensures efficient handling. Every movement is designed to prevent damage. Each mango enters the system individually. From here, the process becomes highly controlled.
No two mangoes are identical. Natural variation must be carefully managed. Before processing continues, cleaning becomes essential. But this is only the beginning.
The cleaning process begins with high-pressure water jets. Surface dirt and residues are removed immediately. Every surface is thoroughly washed. Even the smallest impurities are targeted.
Excess water is removed before the next stage. Controlled drying prevents contamination.
High-speed air systems complete the drying process. Moisture control is essential for accuracy ahead. Advanced sensors begin analyzing each mango. Technology replaces manual inspection at this stage.
Each fruit is scanned for quality and consistency. Even minor imperfections are detected instantly. Sorting systems separate mangoes by grade. Uniformity is critical for further processing.
Only selected mangoes move forward for processing. Quality control begins early in the system.
Not all fruit follows the same path. Different grades serve different purposes. Positioning systems prepare mangoes for transformation. Precision here ensures clean processing ahead. Machines handle each mango with controlled accuracy. Every movement is carefully calculated.
The core transformation begins with peeling. Machines remove the outer skin with exact precision.
The peeling process is continuous and controlled. Minimal waste is generated at this stage. Automation allows large-scale processing without interruption. Consistency is maintained across every unit. Once peeled, the fruit moves immediately forward. The process continues without delay. Precision slicing prepares the fruit for extraction. Uniform pieces ensure consistent processing. Precision slicing prepares the fruit for extraction. Uniform pieces ensure consistent processing. The separation of pulp from seed is crucial. This defines the usable portion of the fruit. Seeds are removed with mechanical precision. Only the pulp continues forward. The process now shifts from solid to semi-liquid form. The structure of the fruit begins to change. Crushing converts mango into a uniform pulp. This step is essential for further refinement.
The system operates at an industrial scale. Large volumes are processed continuously. The pulp moves through sealed pipelines.
Hygiene and flow control are strictly maintained.
The pulp is stabilized before refinement begins. The process now moves toward greater precision. The refining stage begins with filtration. Unwanted fibers are carefully removed. Only the smoothest portion continues forward. Consistency is critical at this stage.
Levels are normalized on Unit 3.
Perfect. Let's move to the next section.
The pulp now enters pasteurization. Heat treatment ensures safety and stability.
Precise temperature control is essential here. Too much heat can affect flavor and color.
Continuous movement ensures even processing. Uniform heat distribution prevents inconsistencies. Pressure is carefully regulated at all times. Safety systems maintain controlled conditions. Large-scale systems allow uninterrupted production. Every unit operates in synchronization.
The process now moves to texture refinement. Uniformity must be achieved at a microscopic level. The pulp now reaches a refined state. Its texture is consistent throughout. Refinement is complete, and the pulp moves forward. The next stage will ensure final quality and control.
Check the viscosity on tank 3. Yes, calibrating now.
Visual inspection systems detect any irregularities. Clarity and uniformity are essential here.
Samples are taken regularly for testing. Each batch must meet strict standards.
The consistency reading is fluctuating right here. See that spike?
Yes, but the overall viscosity remains within tolerance.
Data-driven adjustments ensure consistency. Even small variations are corrected immediately.
A final filtration step ensures purity. Only the finest pulp moves forward. The refined pulp is stored in controlled conditions. Batch tracking ensures full traceability.
Temperature control preserves quality over time. Stability is maintained until packaging begins. Flow control systems manage distribution efficiently. Every movement is carefully programmed. The product now moves toward final preparation. Packaging is the next critical step.
Containers are sterilized before filling. Clean packaging is essential for safety. Everything is set for final packaging. The process is nearing completion. The final stage begins with automated filling. Each container is positioned with exact precision.
Measured filling ensures uniform product weight. Accuracy is maintained in every unit.
Labeling provides identity and traceability. Every package carries essential information. Date coding ensures transparency for consumers. Each unit is fully traceable. Products are grouped for distribution. Packaging protects them during transport. Automation handles large-scale packaging tasks. Precision ensures stable stacking.
Wrapping stabilizes the load for shipping. Protection continues beyond the factory floor.
Finished products are stored under controlled conditions. They are now ready for distribution. The journey from fruit to finished product is complete. What began in orchards now reaches markets worldwide.